Hi guys, so tonight I'm gonna make a video. I figured it'd be cool instead of typing stuff. So we'll see how it goes. I'm really not a good talker. So if this is really bad, this will be my only time trying to make a video about this. Tonight we're going to make baked spaghetti. I know it sounds a little weird, but it's like mac and cheese, but with the actual pasta sauce instead. So the ingredients actually will be on the post, so I'm not gonna name all of them out. But tonight I'm using ground turkey instead of beef. I usually try and do turkey instead of beef, just because it's better for you. And yeah. So let's try this. There's all my stuff. My pot. Stove. So we'll see how this goes, and I'm gonna do the video in parts, so there should be like 5 parts. I'm sorry if you hear the TV in the background, let me know and I'll redo these. Hopefully it's not too loud. But yeah, so here we go. So this is just the introduction video, and we'll move on to starting to cook. Okay, so I already did the turkey meat, but I'm at the point where it's mostly brown. Some is still pink, and it was on medium heat, so if you have a little turning knob, I put it on the 5. And I chopped some onions, and I'm about to add those in with the mushrooms. So I just got those chopped ones. If you want the whole ones, that's fine. Not a big deal. So what I just do, since it's faster, is I just already get the chopped ones. So my sauce is done now, since I thought we were recording. So I'll just go back. I added the mushrooms, the onions, and did that. I chopped them. Try to keep the chopped ones the same size, so they cook better. And what else? I added basil, oregano, garlic powder, balsamic vinegar, and you can just twirl that in. That's not a big deal about the amount. I have water boiling over here, back there, for my pasta, which I'm about to add. So we'll come back to that in a second. Okay, I drained my pasta, and you just give it a good shake, get all the water out. And then what I'm going to do is pour it into here, my 9x13 pan. And right now we have the pasta in the pan. If you want to put it in a smaller pan to make it thicker, that's cool too. Right now I'm preheated the oven to 375, so it can cook, and you can let the pasta cool for right now. Okay, so what I've done for you is pour the pasta into a 9x13 pan, and then pour the sauce on top. Our next step is to put the mozzarella cheese on top. So what we're going to do Try not to get too much in one spot. If there's some that needs to be moved, just move it over. If you need to add more, then just add some more. Okay, and now we'll put it in the oven for about 15 minutes or so. Okay, I just took the pasta out of the oven, and this is what it looks like. So now we're basically done. You just need to let it cool for a little bit, and then you cut it basically like lasagna and serve. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video.